Alright, so I came back to this new account that I opened on Gray. Now, you can see here that the verification notification has left, showing that this account is now verified. Alright, so now that my account has been verified, the next thing to do now is to go ahead to create my UK account. So what I want to do here, once you get to your dashboard here, you want to come to this United States dollars that you're seeing here. You want to tap on the drop down arrow. As you can see here, you can create 4 different kinds of accounts. Okay, so you can see that you have the United States dollar, you have the Nigerian naira, you have the British pound, and the euro. Okay, so what we want to do here, of course, is the British pound. So we're going to just tap on the British pound here. As you can see here, everything here is 0.00. So I'll come to this account here and tap on it. So you can see here that we have account statement proof, blah blah blah, British pound. Request and instantly get your foreign UK bank account to receive payment from anyone in GBP, and that's Great Britain pound. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on that again. So once it does that, it tells me to confirm that the details below is correct, proceeding to create your account. If not, please contact your support team. Of course, my first name, my last name, the both of them are correct, so I'm going to click on continue. So what is saying, what do you need a Great Britain pound for? Are you a freelancer? Are you a full-time employee? Are you a business owner? Or do you receive, or you're just creating it to receive money from family and friend? Sincerely, you can pick any option here, but if I were you, I'll go with a freelancer. Of course, you want to make money from other gigs. So I'll just click on the freelancer. For me, I think that is the best for you to go for. So yeah, they're asking what's your occupation. I'm going to click on the drop down arrow.